Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Microsoft Teams for remote work, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams and sign in with your work account. Familiarize yourself with the user interface. Locate the main navigation bar on the left side of the window. Click on the Teams icon to view your teams and channels. Join or create a team relevant to your work. Use the Join or Create a Team button at the bottom of the Teams list. Once in a team, explore the channels available. Channels are where conversations and files related to specific topics take place. Click on a channel to view its posts and resources. Utilize the Posts tab for team discussions. Use the Files tab to access and share documents. To start a new conversation, click on the New Conversation button. Type your message in the text box and hit Enter to send. Mention team members by typing it followed by their name. This helps to get their attention on important messages. Take advantage of the Meet Now feature for spontaneous meetings. Find this under the Meetings tab or within a channel. Schedule a meeting by clicking on the calendar icon. Select New Meeting and fill in the details like time and attendees. Save the meeting and it will send out invites automatically. Explore the chat feature for direct messaging with colleagues. Click on the chat icon to open your chat history. Start a new chat by clicking the pencil icon and typing a name. Use emojis, GIFs, and stickers to make your communication more engaging. Turn on notifications to stay updated on messages and meetings. Access the settings by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner. In Settings, go to Notifications and customize your preferences. Create tasks using the Planner app integrated into Teams. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.